So I have updated my Delta Squadron review on the blog. I have added a little bit more details. It's not complete yet, but there is more information than yesterday. So we are now going to create very powerful backlinks to this page in order to get better rankings in Google. But before doing that, we need some materials, some promotional materials, and I'm going to show you how I prepare those materials and how I use them to get powerful backlinks. First, you will need an original article. You can use an article that you write yourself. You can write your own unique article, or you can use any PLR article, or if you don't have any PLR article, you can take an article from an article directory like EZine articles related to the product you are going to market. For example, we could look for internet marketing site ezinearticles.com. I would just take an article that has a good title. Marketing tips, 3 powerful ways to create a killer. It's all about one best marketing course. Okay, let's take this one just an example anyway. If you don't have any PLR article, you can just take an article from EZine Articles, go to a section called EZine Publisher, copy the plain text version, select all, copy, okay, paste. Then you remove this section, you go to the bottom, and you remove the link to EZine article, but you keep the author's links intact. Okay, so next, what do you have to do with this article? We are going to spin them. If you are not familiar with spinning, it's the process of adding variations to an article to be able to create hundreds of thousands of different articles from a single one article. How do we do that? Let's take this. Let's take the title as an example. First, you have to okay, before talking about the syntax, let's say that spinning is creating variations for each and every sentence of an article. It takes a little bit of time. It can take you something like 1 hour to spin an article, but thanks to this process, you will be able to produce hundreds of unique articles in the eye of Google, and with hundreds or thousands of different articles, you will be able to have hundreds or thousands of useful backlinks to your website. If we were using just one article and add backlinks to our website in this article, then if we submitted this article to, let's say, 10 article directories, only 1 or 2 would be useful for your website, because Google would find that this is duplicate content, and it will just de-index these articles, well, not really, they index them, but it will not count the backlinks as unique backlinks to your website. So if you want to have unique, useful backlinks, you have to submit different articles to each article directory. And with the spinning, it's something very easy to do. So how does it work? Let's take this title, for example, how to find the best internet marketing course. You could say exactly the same thing, but with different words. For example, steps to uncover the top internet marketing courses. Or you could say unique and powerful ways to get the best IM course. Okay, you see, you have to create at least 4 variations of each sentence. And when you have finished creating your variations, you have to use a special syntax. You use those brackets, then you take the original sentence, you add a pipe after the original sentence, then you paste the first variation, then you do the same thing with the second variation after a pipe. Then each time you have a new variation, you just add a pipe and add your variation. Okay? What the spinning softwares will do is each time it finds these brackets, it will randomly select one of the variation. So if you have 4 variations for each sentence, or 5 variations, since there is also the original sentence, the random selection of each of these variations will create a totally unique article in the eyes of the search engines. Okay, let's say for example that we have these variations here. Okay, I'm writing things that doesn't want to say anything, that don't say anything, but it's just for the example. Okay, now the spinning process would do something like that. It uncovers this first bracket, then it randomly selects one of the variations. Let's say that it selects this one, for example. Then it finds these brackets, it selects randomly another variation. It would take, for example, this one, and so on and so on. So the random selection of the variations of each sentence will produce a totally unique article. From one article, you will be able to have thousands of unique articles. So what I'm going to do is to prepare this article, Make Money with Affiliate Marketing Programs. I'm going to have it ready for tomorrow. So tomorrow I will have all the variations for each of the sentences, and as soon as I'm ready, I'll record another video to show you how I use these spin articles. And this is where this is for this process that we will get a lot of link love. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye bye.